So this is where we have our food at Eon's. Welcome to Eon. This is the sign. Start frying. Here you have the different shops. There are places that you go to eat. There's a driveway here. This is Mr. Ian, the person who I always go to for fish.
And lobster.
And lobster, yes.
I'm the chef.
He's a chef.
I've been cutting out to them now.
Oh.
You can come.
Yeah. God, I've been coming to Ian for years.
But this is the way we cut the lobster. So we cut the lobster like this. We take out the liquor. This is the intestine. If you eat this, it hurt your belly.
Okay.
That's the way we clean it out now.
Nice.
So we do some lime and wash it. Wash it, put it like this. Squeeze out the lime juice, the lime here. Alright, with the lobster, to get rid of some of the rawness, we use the Jamaican lime.
Yeah.
Squeeze and make it soak in a little. Then we add the black pepper and salt, add a little. Yes sir, that's the way the lobster done. So we leave it for 15 minutes. To get soaked it.
Alright, so this is the fish here. Ian was so kind to have us in his kitchen. Fish is here, frying.
The fish frying right now.
Wow, and him have a little pumpkin and him okra and him yam
and for the steam.
And that's the steam for the steam.
The breadfruit to roast it. This don't roast as yet, but by later we have it roasted.
Okay. And him seasoning. The man thing up.
So the golden color we have right here on the fish, golden fry.
Alright. And about how long you fry each time?
Alright, everything gonna take with the lobster, it's gonna take about 20 more minutes. With the get up the garlic sauce ready and the
yeah, and we want the recipe for the festival, so yeah?
Recipe? You want me to tell that?
Yeah man. See, Ian is the festival king here. Yeah, man. So the lobster here?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the lobster was fried.
This is the lobster deep fried garlic. So when we have to make a garlic sauce, put on the lobster. We're not ready for that, no chili.
Yeah man, yeah man.
Yeah, garlic sauce now.
Oh, this looks good. Can't wait to find this one. Ian is the place to be. Ian, remember Ian. Make sure you go to Ian, you know.
Ian and Salah, that's my father, one stop. Ian and Salah, one stop.
You heard that, people? Yeah. Make sure you check him out, you know. And tell him Travel with Toniann sent you. Me. That's the Scotch bonnet pepper.
We have yellow here and we have green Scotch bonnet. And we have sweet pepper over here.
Okay. We have the famous HELLSHIRE style festival. We not really give out the recipe, but this is the HELLSHIRE style festival and the lobster. That is delicious.
That is the lobster now, finish up now. So ready to put on the garlic sauce. This is the festival we're doing here.
Look good, Ian, look good.
Come here. So we roll it in the dry flour here. Press it out and drop it.
Okay, the soya. Alright.
I will get it thin, that's it, soak properly.
Alright.
That's it.
This is the escabeche sauce. Alright.
This is it. So I'm going to put on the garlic butter. You cut up some there? You pack all that first. Alright. This is the garlic sauce. Go on the lobster.
Good.
The garlic butter. With some garlic, a little ginger, some sweet pepper.
This is the sauce.
This is a little onion and pepper.
Smell the pepper.
Yeah.
Ah.
Alright, that's it for you.
This is the lobster and the fish is coming. It's a beef sauce and the fish is here. Nice. Yes. Oh, no, that's it.
Yeah, you can. Let me tell you.
And the festival. So let me just get a nice picture here. The festival, bami, fish, lobster, red stripe light. So this is the fish. I have the lobster here. Festival, and I got a little pear, so I'm gonna eat it. And of course, you have to have the sorrel beer. My favorite. But it's so good. Ultra style fish. Escabeche sauce makes a difference. Try a little piece of the lobster here. Tasting out of the garlic, it's nice. Well flavored. So guys, I finished my meal. Look at it. Well done. It was good. Trust me, really, really good. I really enjoyed it. Really good. Really, really nice. So make sure you come to Ian. Some nice.